Good morning, John. It's Friday. Today I thought I might be able to combine something that I like, which is math, and something that you like, which is, of course, pizza. So I'm serving tables at a pizza restaurant that I work at, and a customer came up to me and jokingly asked, how can you still enjoy pizza after working here for 4 years? Oh, by the way, John, I've been working at a pizza restaurant for about 4 years now undercover, so, secret's out. So I said to the kid, how can I possibly get bored of pizza? There are thousands of different types of pizza. And then, instantaneously, my mind went to work. How many different possible pizzas could I make at this restaurant? Well, I quickly got to work researching the number of toppings available, including extra cheese, which comes to 17, and the number of crusts available, which comes to 4. Now, at this point, I stipulated that all pizzas must come with at least sauce and cheese, and that you can have as many toppings as you want on a pizza, excluding double toppings. Of course, the answer would be approaching infinity if I was able to keep putting more and more pepperoni on the pizza. Now, the one thing that proved daunting at first when I looked at this problem was that I could have anywhere from 0 to 17 toppings on the pizza at the same time. It's not just one amount of toppings. But then, remembering something I learned in probability and random variables class, I could use combinations to find the different number of combinations of pizza toppings. So then I started by looking at the number of pizzas out of 17 toppings that would have 17 toppings on them, and I quickly came to 1. There's only one pizza that would have all 17 toppings on it. For the next group, I did a combination that out of 17 toppings, only 16 were used, so how many different groups of 16 toppings could be used on a pizza? And the answer to that was, of course, 17. Using this method of decreasing the number of toppings I choose to get to 15 to 14 to 13, I got all the way down to 17 toppings, choose 0, which would actually be just plain cheese pizza. Which in my eyes, John, is perfectly fine. But at this point, I really didn't want to have to solve for all these individual combinations and add them all up. So remembering a little trick I learned in discrete math, I looked up the 17th row of Pascal's triangle, and there were the answers to all the individual combinations that I was looking for. However, being slightly lazy, I did not want to have to put all those individual numbers in my calculator and add them up, so there must have been an easier way than that. And yes, there was. And that's when I remembered something particularly interesting about Pascal's triangle, which is that each of the rows of Pascal's triangle can be rewritten as a binomial expansion. So using this fact, I was able to find that the sum of the numbers in the 17th row of Pascal's triangle ends up being x plus y to the 17th power, and if I let x equal 1 and y equal 1, then the answer is clearly 2 to the 17th power. Now looking back on all the work I did, 2 to the 17th power would have been a lot easier to find if I just realized that I was actually counting the number of subsets of 17, which of course would be 2 to the n or 2 to the 17th power. I did too much work! But I'm not done yet, because don't forget there are actually 4 different types of crusts at this restaurant, so I multiplied my answer by 4 or by 2 squared, which using the law of exponents comes out to be 2 to the 19th power. Which turns out to be 524,288. What a glorious number. There are over 500,000 different pizza toppings at the restaurant I work at, and I'm feeling incredibly satisfied with my answer. Well, I hope you learned something about math and how fun it is and how it actually has a lot of real-life applications, but all this talk about pizza is actually getting me rather hungry, so I think I'm going to grab a slice of pizza. I don't really think I know what topping I'm going to get on my pizza this time. Anyway, John, I'll see you on Monday. End screen. Thank you guys for watching my Homage to the Vlogbrothers. If you liked this video, make sure you check them out by clicking the link over to your right, and or subscribe to me if you would like. Otherwise, if you want to see the bloopers from this video, which there are quite a lot of, in which I try and impersonate Hank Green as Batman, click the link below. I also have a math song called The Limit is X versus Girlfriend, which combines both witty math humor and ukulele, and I hope you like that, so check that out in the link below. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to be awesome.